Which part of the body produces insulin? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Kidney. D. Intestine. Correct answer is B. Pancreas. The next question is, which food naturally improves female fertility? A. Pineapple. B. Raw banana. C. fenugreek seeds. D. Beetroot. Correct answer is C. Fenugreek seed. The next question is, which animal can survive for months without food? A. Tiger. B. Snake. C. Crocodile. D. Camel. Correct answer is C. Crocodile. The next question is, which vitamin helps in faster healing of wounds? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin E. Correct answer is C. Vitamin C. The next question is, which nut helps boost brain power? A. Cashew. B. Pista. C. Walnut. D. Almond. Correct answer is C. Walnut. The next question is, which part of the body has no bones but still gives structure? A. Ear. B. Nose. C. Tongue. D. Eye. Correct answer is B. Nose. The next question is, which leafy green improves sperm quality? A. Coriander. B. Spinach. C. Methi. D. Mint. Correct answer is B. Spinach. The next question is, which bird has no gallbladder? A. Owl. B. Crow. C. Pigeon. D. Sparrow. Correct answer is C. Pigeon. The next question is, which juice reduces urinary infections? A. Apple juice. B. Cranberry juice. C. Orange juice. D. Pomegranate juice. Correct answer is B. Cranberry juice. The next question is, which hormone controls female egg release? A. Insulin. B. Testosterone. C. Estrogen. D. Luteinizing hormone. Correct answer is D. Luteinizing hormone. The next question is, which fruit increases natural collagen for skin? A. Kiwi. B. Banana. C. Guava. D. Grapes. Correct answer is C. Guava. The next question is, which oil is best for hair fall control? A. Mustard oil. B. Olive oil. C. Coconut oil. D. Castor oil. Correct answer is D. Castor oil. The next question is, which sense continues to work even after brain death? A. Touch. B. Hearing. C. Smell. D. Sight. Correct answer is B. Hearing. The next question is, which drink helps to prevent prostate issues in men? A. Coffee. B. Lemon juice. C. Tomato juice. D. Buttermilk. Correct answer is C. Tomato juice. The next question is, which seed helps balance female hormones? A. Chia seeds. B. Sunflower seeds. C. Flax seeds. D. Sesame seeds. Correct answer is C. Flax seeds. The next question is, which food increases serotonin for better mood? A. White bread. B. Cheese. C. Chicken. D. Dark chocolate. Correct answer is D. Dark chocolate. The next question is, which bird can sleep while flying? A. Owl. B. Swallow. C. Albatross. D. Sparrow. Correct answer is C. Albatross. The next question is, which body part grows faster after shaving? A. Beard. B. Hair. C. Nails. D. Eyebrow. Correct answer is B. Hair. The next question is, which mineral improves female libido? A. Zinc. B. Calcium. C. Magnesium. D. Iron. Correct answer is A. Zinc. The next question is, which natural leaf is known to prevent early graying of hair? A. Tulsi leaf. B. Curry leaves. C. Betel leaf. D. Neem leaf. Correct answer is B. Curry leaves. The next question is, which vitamin helps reduce stress naturally? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin A. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin B complex. Correct answer D. Vitamin B complex. The next question is, which organ produces testosterone in males? A. Prostate gland. B. Testicles. C. Brain. D. Kidney. Correct answer B. Testicles. The next question is, which fruit helps to clean the liver? A. Papaya. B. Banana. C. Avocado. D. Apple. Correct answer C. Avocado. The next question is, which organ continues to grow throughout your life? A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Brain. D. Nose. Correct answer D. Nose. The next question is, which food is a natural aphrodisiac for men? A. Garlic. B. Carrot. C. Pumpkin seeds. D. Potato. Correct answer C. Pumpkin seeds.